Imagine a new storybook, each page waiting to be filled with adventure of another school day. Good morning, Honorable MD Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, loving parents and teachers, and my dear friends.
Good morning to everyone. We, the students of class 6th, would like to extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to everyone present here. Rise and shine, dear friends. Join us for our morning assembly, where each moment is an opportunity to learn, grow, and inspire from one another. The topic of our annual presentation is Geography of
India.
With Himalayas in the north, Indian Ocean in the south, Arabian Sea in the west, and the Bay of Bengal in the east, I love my nation, which is the best.
Rightly said Vallabhi, India is a land of unity in diversity. And it is not only true about its people, languages, customs and traditions, but it holds true about its geographical features also. India, a land of diverse terrain, where nature's beauty knows no refrain. From majestic mountains to golden shores, a tapestry of landscape it truly adores. We welcome you again and are grateful to have you with us on this special day. Let's kickstart our show with a pledge.
Now please stand up and take your position for the pledge. Put your right hand on your left shoulder and get ready for the pledge. O God, I offer you my studies, thoughts, words, and actions of this day. Enlighten my mind, strengthen my memory, and guide me to do what's right. Amen.
Kabir's stories speak about the importance of self-reflection and inner purity.
Let us take a moment to reflect on few of his timeless couplets which carry a message that is as relevant today as it was centuries ago.
आज करे सो अब
that drives us to approach the day with enthusiasm and purpose.
To ignite the flame of inspiration, I would like to invite Yanga to share the thought of the day.
The study of geography is the journey of exploration that never ends, as there are always new places to discover and understand. I repeat my thought, the study of geography is the journey of exploration that never ends, as there are always new places to discover and understand. Thank you.
We are excited to take you on a fascinating journey across the diverse landscapes of India through our special skit.
Get ready to embark on this captivating voyage, the Great Indian Geography Expedition.
India is incredibly geographically diverse with vast plains, high mountain ranges, dense forests and a long coastline. Let's dive deeper into it with an Indian family settled in New York.
Mr. and Mrs. Singh are sitting in their room. Meanwhile, their 12-year-old son Aryan comes back from school.
Mom, Dad, it's vacation time.
Time to relax now, but you must make it productive.
No, my teacher has assigned me a project.
Project? Okay. Related to?
It's about exploring the geography of any Asian country.
I have an idea. What if we plan a trip to India this vacation and explore it?
Sounds good. It's been long since we visited India and Aryan can practically learn and complete his project.
To kill two birds with one stone.
Yay, we are going to India.
Do you know that the largest mountain range of Asia is in India?
I know. It's the Himalayas.
Excellent, Aryan. Now we will begin our exploration from the northern region of India. Are you ready for adventure?
Yes. Mr. Singh booked the flight US to India, bags packed, and all three of them took off to India.
Their journey begins from north.
Welcome to the enchanting land of Ladakh, nestled in the northmost region of India, also known as the land of five passes.
Great. I didn't realize India had such towering mountains. How were these majestic Himalayas formed, sir?
These were formed about 70 million years ago when two continental plates collided, pushing up the massive mountain range where they met. In this way, India and Eurasia were joined together.
What about flora and fauna, sir?
Himalayas give home to many endangered species like snow leopard, giant panda, Himalayan wild duck, musk deer, etc. Flora includes trees like pine, oak, deodar, fir, etc.
Aryan, have you noticed the shape of leaves in sloping roofs? Do you know the reason behind this?
I guess because of snow and rainfall so that it can slide down easily.
You're right, dear. Excellent. He's a bright chap, sir. Himalayas is not just a natural wonder, but also provides a natural barrier to the cold winds blowing from Central Asia.
That's informative for my project.
From the snowy peaks of the Himalayas, they headed southwest towards the next destination, that is the Thar Desert.
where the land meets the sky in a golden haze.
Khamma Ganesa.
Oh, the scorching heat of Jaisalmer.
Dear, it's hot during the day and freezing cold at night.
That sounds like quite a contrast. I read in my GK book that Thar Desert is one of the largest deserts in the world.
Indeed it is. It covers an area of 2 lakh square miles. It is also known as Marusthal.
It has an arid climate and the vegetation is scanty, but it's also home to unique wildlife.
I watched an episode on National Geographic which showcased the wildlife of the Thar Desert. It includes numerous species of reptiles, hyena, desert fox, Indian desert wildcat, etc.
Sir, can you please tell us about the life of people here?
The people of Thar are nomads.
Nomad means?
Nomad people who don't stay at one place for very long.
But why they do so?
Due to scarcity of food and water in the desert, Luni is the only river here and it receives very little rainfall.
It's amazing how life thrives even in such harsh conditions.
Thank you, sir. After visiting here, I realized the importance of water conservation.
From the arid desert, let's head to the heart of the India's
The Deccan Plateau.
Namaste, sir. Namaste. Deccan Plateau forms the heart of southern India, surrounded by eastern and western Ghats. It is rich in minerals like coal, iron, copper, etc.
One more feature, it is transshipment plateau and it stretches across 8 states of India.
Deccan Plateau is significant for India's landscape and resources.
Sir, what kind of plants and animals found here?
The dry deciduous forest of the Deccan Plateau support a diverse range of plants and animals. Some common species include teak, neem, banyan. We can find monkey, deer, wild boars, reptile, and variety of bird species.
The geography of Deccan Plateau is diverse and captivating.
We really enjoyed here. It was a mesmerizing journey.
The next stop is Kurg in Karnataka, where we find lush forests of the Western Ghats.
Welcome, sir and ma'am. These ghats are paradise for nature lovers. They also influence the monsoon rains that brings the life to the plains.
Here also forests are rich with biodiversity, providing shelter to countless species of plants and animals.
Really beautiful.
Next destination, West Bengal. It is in the eastern part of India.
Welcome to the Sundarbans, the largest mangrove forest in the world. It's symbol of nature's resilience. Aryan, Sundarbans is the home of Royal Bengal tigers.
Tiger in the mangroves, that's really incredible.
The Sundarbans are a unique ecosystem where land and water blend seamlessly. Isn't it, Aryan?
Yes, Mom.
Finally, an explorer leads the coastal mandals of India.
Let's explore Kanyakumari, where the Arabian Sea, the Indian Ocean, and the Bay of Bengal meet.
Yes, so many beaches. Can we go for swimming here?
Not now, Aryan. But these coastal lines are not just for fun, but they serve other purpose also.
May I know about that?
They are vital for fishing, trade, and tourism.
India geography is a colorful canvas where every region paints its unique picture.
India truly is a land of wonders, isn't it, Aryan?
I wish we were living in India.
And so Aryan learned that India's geography is as diverse as its people and culture.
Our journey ends, but the magic of India's geography will forever dance in our hearts. Thank you.
Wow, what a fantastic journey, isn't it, Parneet?
Definitely, Vihan. It was a wonderful reminder of the rich tapestry of our country.
Sometimes it only takes one good song to bring back thousands of old memories. Hence, let's enjoy Hindi song by Athavi Bansal.
दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भर मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भर मन की भोली सी आशा। महक जाऊं मैं आज तो ऐसे फूल बगिया में महके वो जैसे
remind us the power of music to touch our hearts and souls.
Now, students of a class will share insights on various aspects of Indian geography, from its impact on climate and agriculture to its influence on culture and biodiversity.
The life and habit of the people and the history of the country are largely determined by its physical features. So let's explore the geography of India. To start with, Ujaswita, can you please tell us something about India's location and size?
India lies in the continent of Asia. It is the 7th largest country in the world in terms of area. It covers an area of about 3.25 million square kilometers. Most of the India is from peninsula, which means it is surrounded by water from three sides. That is, Bay of Bengal in the east, the Arabian Sea in the west, and the Indian Ocean to the south.
Indian geography can be divided into two types, political geography and physical geography. Yavan, please elaborate political geography.
India has 20 states and 8 union territories. It also includes one national capital, that is New Delhi.
In terms of area, the largest state of India is Rajasthan and the smallest state is Goa. Viren, please describe physical features of India.
Short Dikshit, based on physical features, India's geography is divided into the Great Mountains of North, Northern Plains, Peninsular Plateaus, Coastal Plains, Thar Desert and Islands.
The geography of India has a profound impact on various aspects of its society, economy and culture.
The northern boundary formed by the Himalayas acts as a natural barrier influencing climate and protecting the region from invasions.
Indo-Gangetic Plain is a fertile area with sports-intensive agriculture and has been the cradle of ancient civilization.
The Deccan Plateau's history has contributed to rich cultural heritage visible in its architecture, literature, music and dance forms.
Moreover, Deccan Plateau is rich in minerals such as coal, iron ore, limestone, etc., supporting a significant portion of India's industrial activity.
Coastal areas support fishing, port activities and trade. Major ports of Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata are crucial for international trade.
Major rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, etc. are essential for irrigation, farming and drinking water and hydroelectric power.
India's diverse ecosystem from rainforests in the Western Ghats to the desert in Rajasthan support a wide range of flora and fauna.
National parks and wildlife sanctuaries attract tourism, contributing to the economy while promoting conservation awareness. Its geography has led to the development of diverse culture, languages and traditions.
In a nutshell, the geography of India, with its vast diversity and complexity, continues to shape the country's development and opportunities. Thank you.
We hope you find it both informative and inspiring.
Coming up next, we have an instrumental performance by Tanisha. Was truly mesmerizing.
India is blessed with a myriad of classical dance styles, each with its own charm, history and cultural significance.
Now get ready to witness an enchanting display of grace and precision through classical dance.
Now our talented performers will take us on a journey of emotions, imagination and creativity.
Poetry is a unique of touching our hearts and minds.
Enjoy the poetic journey and may it leave a lasting impression on you.
Colorful personified. This is precisely what can be said when one sees the natural beauties of India, so rich and varied.
It is here that you can see chilly mountains crowned with the white snow. It is here that you can experience hot deserts under the sun's full glow.
It is here that you can find lush green forest with wildlife so rich. It is here that you can see a blue sea with a spectacular beach.
Everything that you find in the world can be found on this land, whether it's a tropical forest or a desert with golden sand.
Proud to say I am a child of this land, the amazing and beautiful India, my dear motherland. Thank you.
Life is a song, your thoughts are the music. Now play beautiful music and sing a wonderful song.
Coming up next, Vaibhav and Diva want to present an English song, If You Believe In. If you believe you can move the highest mountains, cross the greatest ocean, and walk across the water, If you feel defeated, falling on your knees and looking up for some hope tonight, you try to stand up, but you throw your hands up like you no longer have a strength to fight. You see too many sunsets, too many days, ending with the darkest night. But on your own, you will never know, you will never know. If you believe you can move the highest mountains, cross the greatest ocean, and walk across the water, believe you can move the highest mountains, cross the greatest ocean, and walk across the water, Thank you.
What a soulful performance. Now we have another piece of entertainment for you. Yes, we are eagerly waiting for this one.
Get ready to witness our dancers paying beautiful tribute to golden era of Bollywood.
जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ जी चाहे जब हमको आवाज दो हम हैं वहीं हम हैं यहाँ अपने यहीं दोनों जहाँ इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ बाबू समझो इशारे और पुकारे यहाँ चलती को गाड़ी कहते हैं प्यारे पम 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 बाबू समझो इशारे और पुकारे पम 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 यहाँ चलती को गाड़ी कहते हैं प्यारे पम 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 रे बाबा रे बाबा बाबा रे बाबा रे बाबा बाबा रे बाबा रे बाबा बाबा रे बाबा रे बाबा बातों की एक बात यही है। क्या भला तो क्या बुरा कामयाबी में जिंदगी है, बोलो। 100 बातों की एक बात यही है। क्या भला तो क्या बुरा कामयाबी में जिंदगी है। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ